Konnichiwa minasan, my name is Jake. Welcome to our channel, Gen X Jake. For today's video, we are going to check out a new smart home product. And before we proceed, I would like to give thanks to our friends from SwitchBot for sponsoring and sending us this product to be reviewed. SwitchBot sent us 2 boxes of their newest product, the SwitchBot Smart Strip Light. And in this video, we are going to dig deep and check out what are the things that are included in the box of the SwitchBot Smart Strip Light and are the pros and the cons of this product. Disclaimer check, even if SwitchBot sponsored this video, I will be honest on my views and my thoughts about this product. Without any further ado, let's start the review. The SwitchBot Smart Strip Light is priced at $21.49. At the front of the box, you can see the assistants that works with this smart product: Amazon A, Google Assistant, Siri Shortcuts, IFTTT, Samsung SmartThings, and line Clova. On the side of the box, details are listed regarding the product. So the wattage of this product is 18 watts, operating voltage 100 to 240 VAC, 50/60 Hz, Wi-Fi, it can only connect to 2.4 GHz, color RGB and white, brightness level 1 to 100%. Control, you can control this one using the IR remote, SwitchBot app, built-in controller, and voice assistant. So the operation lifetime is 25,000 hours. On the other side of the box, features are listed. It can produce up to 16 million colors. It has a schedule and timer function, bright and dark functions, voice control, music mode, and smartphone control. We are now going to unbox the SwitchBot Smart Strip Light. First, we will unpack everything that is inside the box and check each and every one later. Included inside the box are the IR remote, the LED strip, the built-in controller, the double-sided tape for the built-in controller, the mounting clips, the power supply, and finally, the manual. This is the included IR remote. So on the front, there are 4 shortcut buttons for the different modes. There are 2 buttons for the brightness and the dimness, off and on button, and the different buttons for the colors. At the back, there is an instruction on how to change the battery. This is the SwitchBot Smart Strip Light. The length is 5 meters. Let's take a closer look. The tape feels that it is built good and not cheap. On the back is the 3M tape for mounting. This is the power cord controller attachment. You attach this to your built-in controller. This is the built-in controller. This is the receiver for the IR remote. This is the cord attachment for the LED strip light. This cord is for connecting to the power supply. 4 buttons are found installed in the built-in controller. First button is the power button. The next is the brightness. Next is the listen button / music mode. And finally, the mode cycle button. This is the power supply. Build quality does not feel flimsy or cheap. Attach this end to the built-in controller to supply power. Finally, these are for mounting. This is the double-sided tape for the built-in controller. Place this on the back of the controller if you want to mount it. These are the mounting clips. If you want to secure properly your smart strip light, use this when mounting. Adding the device for the SwitchBot app is very easy. Open the SwitchBot application, click the plus sign on the upper right to add. The strip light icon will be displayed if the app detected it. Click the icon and follow the instructions. Connect to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Enter your credentials and wait for the application to finish the Wi-Fi connection. Upon finishing the Wi-Fi setup, rename the strip light to the desired name and location of the device to be installed. In the SwitchBot application, you can set the light strip in whatever color you desire. Another feature is the scenes, in which there is a predetermined color combination and flashes installed. You can also create a custom scene. Finally, the option for music, in which the strip light will listen and sync with the music in the background playing. Let's now go on the pros and the cons of this smart strip light. The number 1 pro that I really like is that the integration with other SwitchBot products. For example, so this strip light turns on every time the SwitchBot smart door sensor installed on our front door detects that the door is open. So this turns on, and also Amazon A announces that the door has opened. And also, there's another integration that we made. These strip lights, both of these one turns on and turns into red when the camera, our security camera, SwitchBot security camera installed on our living room, detects someone or something moving during 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. These feature helps us to maintain the security of our house, and yeah, the integration with other smart home products is very good. So the next pro that I really like about this strip light is that the colors. So the colors are very vivid, as you can see. The back of the monitor, I installed the Lee Pro Smart Strip Lights, and I really don't like the vividness of the color. So as you can compare, so the blue of the Lee Pro Smart Strip Light is not that blue compared to the blueness of the SwitchBot Strip Light. The next pro that I really like is the music mode. So the music mode, these lights follow to the beat of the music. Turns your room into a party vibe ambience. So I really like that. And finally, the price. So $21.49 is very cheap for the smart features it provides. And yeah, finally, I forgot. I also really like one pro of this one is that you don't need anymore the SwitchBot Smart Mini Hub to connect it to the internet, and it is a very great introductory product to the SwitchBot ecosystem. Only con that I really don't like about this product is the sticky tape at the back. So I am just being nitpicky about this one. So when you are doing the installation process, when you remove the sticky tape, 3M sticky tape at the back, be careful of it, because once you made a mistake, the sticky part of it tends to be removed easily. But it sticks greatly, but yeah, just avoid mistakes. And if you do make mistakes, be prepared to have spare ones, because there are no spares included with the box, in the box of the SwitchBot Smart Strip Light. Yeah, so I think that's it for the pros and the cons of this product. And before we end this video, I would like to give thanks to SwitchBot for sponsoring this video and sending us this product to review. And if you have other queries about this product or other SwitchBot products, just comment down below and I will happily answer your questions. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share and click that subscribe button down below to be notified of new videos that we have uploaded. So I think that's it. So see you in the next one. Bye. Peace.